Okay, everybody, as I told you before, I am going to try this time the Copilot agent inside the Vscode, which is free and offered by Microsoft in the Vscode, which is open source. And this time I want to check the Golang with Gin to see if it is working or not. Then let's start. Put it on the, instead of ask, I will put it on agent. Make it a little bit bigger for you to be able to see. Okay. Make a to-do list app using Gin and SQLite. Okay. And have JWT. Also all endpoints. What else? And the Docker endpoints and important policy. Write first step like models, then test, run tests, all green, go to next step. Keep the steps small and make a commit also. For a starter, use go mod init. Try to use best practices and also best practices and also test for every steps. Okay, let's see how it is working. Continue. Okay, it made the project. Yes. Actually, it's really nice up to now. There's some error in test. We are using Gemini Flash Review. Let us stay on that. Continue. Continue. Created. Now let's write the test. Continue. Continue. Git init. It's making a commit. Okay, let me put it on the cloud and now tell it to first foldering is not good and continue. Keep them. Continue. Okay, the foldering that made here by Copilot is more professional than the cloud cursor AI. That is the normal proper foldering. I can say it's a community convention between the Go developers. Let's see. Now it's creating the handlers. Continue to handlers. Okay. Continue. Continue, go get. It's getting the JWT library version 5. Hopefully it is the last version, latest version, I don't know, but we will see. Let it do its job. Not bad. Go on, okay. Let me commit it. Forget to commit it. Okay. Now just okay, let us continue. Everything is working. Go on. Oh, it's working. It is working. It's making the handlers now. Let us make a let me make a commit. Define handlers. Let me push it. I'll push it later. Okay. Everything is working now. It's going to run all the tests as we said. There are some failed tests. Because we have some import issue in the auth, in authentication. You see, simple to-do list. Simple to-do list is going to take more than an hour. I will try it with many other technologies. Whatever I know, probably I will try it with C#, I will try it with Rust, and many other languages. Anything that we can check on different AIs. I will try it on Cursor AI, I will try it on Juni, on IntelliJ, I will try it on Copilot, everything. Because this is what I want to experience myself also. Because in future, all of us will use the AI, and this is the thing that we have to learn. Okay, it's changing the auth. If I want to compare it with the Cursor AI, besides the foldering structure, which was definitely better, I guess Cursor was better. But here we are using Cloud 3.5, and maybe that could be a reason. So there is no judgment, just try and see what we have actually. Okay, run the tests again. It's making a middleware for the JWT, because if the handlers are somehow protected by JWT during the test, you need it, I guess at the moment it's focusing on that. Let's see. Okie dokie. Let me close this one. Let it be open. Because if you close it during the changing the file, it will ask you to save, and you don't know that what is the context or what is the status of the file at that specific moment. That's why it would be better approach to keep it untouched until it do its job. But now when I realized that the cursor was not bad, because it was asking in sometimes too much, but it was asking for a next step. But this one, you see, it's not stopping. It's just go on and go on. But let's see what would be the result. That is what is matter for us. Again, failed. Found the reason of failing immediately and fixed it. First one, okay. We have still some fails, but this time looks a little bit better. To continue with those, of course. Go on until everything is green. Okay. That's bad. Actually, the testing is not bad as I see. Let's see. Okay. It's still working. Wait. Okay. Okay. Simple to-do list, you see? Simple to-do list. Imagine it would be some big application with 50 controllers, services, etc. configuration, security configuration, cloud configuration, and so on. It's changing the approach. Let us go on GPT-4o. Maybe it would be better. And why it's not making the commits, as I said. Let me add define some changes. I don't know what was the changes, but at least we have a commit. Again, we have failing. Let it do its job. This is exactly what I wanted to do. You know, I just wanted to experience. I just wanted to make an experiment with every single one of them and see how does it actually works. You know? It would save my time in future, because whenever I want to try something specific, then maybe I can choose better. Okay, that's the reason of these series. Yeah. This is really bad. It is. Okay, almost all of them passed, but 2 of them are empty, I guess, because of these question marks. Run the app. Okay. Not bad. Make a .http file. I need to test it manually. I keep all of them. This is that HTTP file. Now it's moment of truth. Let us try to test. Okay, 200. Okay, registered successful. Nice. Okay, we have the token. I will copy it because we will put it here. Okay. And this one. Okay, now test it. The login was working. Get all to-dos. Okay, we have no to-dos obviously. Put. There is no to-do. Create. Okay. Get all to-dos. Okay. And update. It's updated. And now I want to check what if I change something. For example, y. I put 1. Okay. It is working as expected. And let me delete it. Okay. Okay, now as you see, I had to copy paste the token. I want to see if it can do such a thing. Can you make a mechanism to keep the token when I log in inside an environment and then I use them for other tests in .http because the copy is annoying. Let me see. Okay, it's updating it. Let's see if it is working because I know in .http files sometimes this environment thing in token, but I guess it is using the right solution for that. If I remember, because I had this problem before. Let me see. Fail to create user, obviously because the user is there. Okay, we have the token. Send the request, invalid token. Okay, not working. We have the problem that I told you. Let me. There is a problem in saving the token. This logging system of Chin is really nice and modern. I love it. I wished we had the same thing in Spring Boot. I don't say that the Spring Boot logging is bad, but this one is really nice and looks pretty. It understood that the port is occupied and killed it, and that was nice. That was nice. Oh, it made a if else and if. Somehow it tries to debug the thing. Okay. Okay, it's not working. It is not good. Make a perfect HTTP file and also make a run all tests inside it. I want with one click register, login, and check all endpoints. Let's see. Let me close these. Okay. Update a to-do, delete a to-do. Okay, send the request. Okay, because add air for hot reload. It's making a airtoml file, and this airtoml file, yes, yep. And you see, it would start the application very nice. Okay, let me close them and try to run it myself. That was the CMD pass problem, I guess. Yes, now it's building everything, running, listening. Okay, everything is fine. And now let us go to test.http, send the request. This one will send an error because we have it. We have the user. We will log in. Okay. Let me put the token here and see what will happen. Okay, that shows that this has a problem. I have the solution in one of my repo. Let me go to GitHub. And that is not my repo actually, that's the repo that I forked, and it had a very nice HTTP test. So what? Where was that? Patient service. I guess it was here. Okay, I cannot find it, but doesn't matter. We will go with the normal copy paste thing. Why we have to? Okay. Okay. Send the request. This one will be internal server error. Okay. Token. Send request. Send request. Nice. Send request. Invalid to do ID, because the ID should be here. Something to do not found. Get all. We have 2 and 3. Put 2. Send. It's working. And now put 3 for delete. And to do deleted successfully. Nice. And that's it. That's it, everybody. I am going to make a commit of this. And we will try another thing next time. See you, everybody, and up to the next time. Yeah.